Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that with the grace of Allah Almighty you all are enjoying good health. Today our topic is verb and its types. So first of all, see what is a verb. A verb is a word that describes an action being done by someone or something. So verb is basically an action. Usually we take this definition of verb, that verb is an action word. As for example, the horse is running. Here the action is run. So running is the action. The horse is running. Here running is action word. Mainly there are two types of verbs, transitive verb or intransitive verb. What are transitive verbs? Transitive verbs are action verbs that have an object to receive that action. So transitive verbs need an object. As for example, he rode the bicycle. So here riding is action verb, and here we are using second form of verb ride, that is rode. So rode is action verb, and what is the object? Bicycle. What is he riding? He is riding bicycle. He rode the bicycle. So bicycle is object. Intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs are action verbs, but unlike transitive verbs, they do not have an object receiving the action. As for example, he laughed, he jumped. So here the action verbs laughed and jumped are intransitive verbs. These intransitive verbs are not in need of any object. They do not need any object. There are three further types of verbs: action verb, helping verb, linking verb. So what is action verb? Action verb tells what the subject is doing. As for example, rain. Second form of run, walk, swim, tell, hide. These all are action verbs. Linking verb. Linking verb connects or links a subject to a noun or an adjective in a predicate. We have studied about predicate. What is predicate? So linking verb, what linking verb is doing? Linking verb is making a connection, making a link of a subject to a noun or adjective in a predicate. So basically what the linking verb does, the linking verb connects or links a subject to its predicate. As for example, Messi is a football player. So here Messi is subject, is a football player, predicate, and this verb, this linking verb is making a connection of a subject with its predicate, with noun or pronoun or adjective in predicate. Verbs such as smell, look, taste, feel, remain, turn, appear, become, sound, seem, grow, stay can also be linking verbs, because these verbs also connects or links a subject to a noun pronoun or an adjective in a predicate. Helping verb. Helping verb is also called an auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb, right? Which combines with a main verb to help it express the tense, mood or voice. They are added before the verb. So, helping verbs tells us about the tense. Means which tense is there, and it also tells us about mood of the sentence. Means we know the context of the sentence and also the voice. Common helping verbs are be, is, am, are, do, does, did, has, have, can, could, may, might, will, shall, would, should, right? These all are helping verbs. Helping verbs also have modal verbs. There are some modal verbs here in helping verbs. We will study modal verbs later. Here example is given. The soldiers are advancing forward. The soldiers are advancing forward. So you can identify action verb here, advancing. Advancing is action verb. And are is telling us about its tense. So are is helping verb. We will see some more examples of helping verbs, linking verbs, action verbs, and mainly transitive or intransitive verbs in the later lectures. And we will also know about modal verbs. Before saying thank you to you, I request all of you to please mark your attendance, because you know that a link has been given to you below this video in comments. So just click that link and open that. Enter your name, father's name, roll number if you are having that, then submit it, because attendance is compulsory for all of you. You have to submit your attendance sheet, attendance form. So please mark your attendance. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.